Temperature sensor manufacturers often face challenges such as poor welds, overheating, and inconsistent temperature control. The TATE PT100 welding machine has been specifically designed to solve these problems efficiently. Our welding machine features real-time temperature regulation and advanced monitoring to ensure that the welding process is precise and consistent. Whether you're welding PT100, PT1000, RTD, NTC, or thermocouples, the TATE PT100 ensures optimal weld strength and sensor reliability, improving the overall performance of your temperature sensors. With minimal downtime and easy-to-use settings, this machine helps you streamline your production process while maintaining high-quality standards. We are the trusted source manufacturer, committed to superior quality and customer satisfaction. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. For more details, contact info@oaktate.com.